Hi, Audrus here. Today I want to make some sort of overhead camera over here so I can actually show work happening on the desk. And the idea is to mount something permanently so I wouldn't have to move camera in and out all the time. However, the challenge is to make this as low cost as possible. Lucky for me, I found this old phone in my drawer. It's not that old actually, and camera is fairly good. However, it has a problem where it's not stable in the pocket, so it keeps restarting and then crashing. I believe it will work fine here when it's not moved, and I will have a go trying to install it. So I've managed to take this apart and pull the camera out. It's still connected as normal and everything works fine, but what this allows me to do is to have the camera at an angle, so when the camera points down I will still be able to see what's on the screen when it's mounted to the ceiling, and I just need to figure out how I'm gonna fit it now. The mounting of the phone will look something like this. I'm not sure at what angle, but ideally I should be able to move it down, up and down, and I could possibly adjust tilt and rotation. I've got something that I can use from an old phone mount that has adjustable ball, so maybe I can fit something here and somehow find a fix. And I think that would work if I would make an adjustable arm. Let's try it. Alright, bit of disappointing news. So I made this, all works very well. Moves up and down, full adjustment, love it. I think that was a success. However, once I finished this, I put my mobile phone on and it no longer works. The screen started flickering and basically the old problem returned. I tried to fix it. I tried to run a heat gun over it and hope for the best. And I knew the risk, and yeah, it died completely. So my next option is much more worn Galaxy S2 that I've got. The challenge with that, it has no way of disassembling it, so I can't move camera out. That means I have to hold it screen upwards to point the camera down, which that's not going to be good. I've got an idea though. Let's see if that works. So here it is, camera with the mirror on it at a 45-degree angle, and that seemed to work very well. So let's put that on the stand. As you can see, it snaps on very well with the magnets. And if I would mount it somewhere here, let's secure that. It's a bit flimsy when it's not mounted. That will not be a problem once it's fitted to the ceiling. Let's turn the camera on. Tighten this up. Okay. That looks pretty nice. Of course, because it's a mirror, it's in reverse, so when I move this upwards, this looks like it's going down, and vice versa. Maybe I can find some application that flips the camera, but it'll be fine for now. And the good bit about this mechanism is the fact that I can move it up and down without changing the angle, so it's pretty much a zoom effect without any fancy lens, and it still stays out of my way when I need it to. Awesome. And here you go, my new camera. I think it turned out very well, and we'll see in the next videos how it actually works. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.